let's revise the words. The title of our story is A Bird Named Fern. The genre of the story is fantasy. The essential question is, what can you see in the sky? We can see many things in the sky. We can see clouds, birds, and the sun and the moon. Okay, so let's revise the high frequency word. Unmute your mics to read the words. Unmute your mics. Now you're able to unmute your mics. Unmute your mics.
Climb.
No, no.
Climb.
No, no. Climb. 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 What is it? Climb.
Miss, your internet is not good.
Okay.
Miss, I can hear you. I am is not good. Sorry, what you are saying? Miss, your internet is not good.
Okay. No need to shout.
Teacher.
Okay, I think it's good now, right? Because I'm connecting to my phone. Okay. The first word here is climb. The B is silent. Climb, that's mean to go up. Thank you, Abdullah, because thank you, Khalid. I mean, not Abdullah. Thank you, Khalid, because you wrote the meanings of the words. The cat can climb a tree quickly. Great. That means very good or wonderful. It's a great day for a picnic. Throw. That means in the middle of something, like, can you see the man throw the book? Another. That means one more thing. Will another cloud cover the sun? Will another cloud cover the sun? Full. Sorry, Julie, there is no time to read because we have only one session today. Full. There is a full moon out tonight. Full, that means completely full. Okay. Poor, low quality. My poor dog got wet in the rain. Lower your hand, Julie. Leaped. Here we will spell the D. Leaped. If you leaped, you made a big jump. If you leaped, you made a big jump. The frog leaped into the lake or into the pond. Okay, stretched, when someone has stretched, he or she has extended a body part. So stretched means extended a body